In chapter 3 element selection folder, I have here my second file, that is 2-contains.html. Inside this HTML boilerplate code, I have here title, that is contains method. In line number 6, in this script tag, I am loading this jQuery library file using src attribute. From line number 7 to line number 11, I am simply saying when document is ready, when document is fully loaded inside browser, call this callback anonymous function. Here inside body, I'm gonna have here the button first. So input type equals submit. Gonna assign here value attribute as well. So value is equal to click name or line break. And then I'm going to have two paragraphs. The text of the first paragraph is first paragraph. I'm gonna copy and paste this paragraph once more. The text of this paragraph will be second paragraph. Now what we want here is when somebody is clicking on this button, that paragraph will be selected which contains a text as second or a text as first. So let's go inside this document that if somebody is clicking the button, if somebody is clicking the button, then this click event handler function will be called, and here I'm going to say select all the paragraphs, but from all the selected paragraphs, further select that paragraph which has a parameter, which has a text, which contains text as second. And then I'm going to call here the text method. I'm going to cut this script and paste inside alert method so that I can get the output in alert box. So what is happening here? Look, when somebody is clicking this button, this button, then all the paragraphs are selected first, and then from all the paragraphs, these two selected paragraphs, this contains method will filter only that paragraph which has a text second, and then the text of the paragraph will be fetched, and this alert will simply throw that text in alert box. So simply this time this paragraph will be selected because this is the paragraph having only second text. So let's go ahead and check the output. So I'm going to say open browser, open Chrome, and here if I go and click this, there's some problem selecting the button via ID, and at the same time I haven't assigned this ID to this button. So I'm going to say here ID equals btn. Save, back to the browser once again, refresh the page, click here. Now look, the second paragraph selected.